ki kubor ki babnya kajing yalang jong ka kanhun menteri kelapan mena bakla shim yi katu katni ki rai ne kasngi menteri rang ba kajalang walaupun tip bak sorkar kala menjur ban penteri kam ya kami kelaya secretarial services rule bat ka appointing authority na kabanta ki kam jong ka superintendent under secretary bat deputy secretary bat ban penkelas ya ka chief secretary kakanhun menteri kala menjur ya kajing kerbat da kanip ko na kabanta kajing siu ka basilak 10 megawatt approx na kabanta ki project ha umyam kiwe ki belai menjur ki kentup ya kajing penteri kam ha kaban penthma ya ke AICTE ha kabayadai bat kajing siu ya kinahi kai jong ka shalong politeknik bat kiwe ya ke balapha Secretariat Directorate of Higher and Technical Education bat banbu halaki jong ki benta ha kabayadai bat kakiat Indian made foreign liquor ha kabaya kani lakmi lenti ban kante ya khajna saki arsan klor tam ha kajala
we are proposing that earlier the governor of Meghalaya in respect to the post of under secretary and deputy secretary and joint secretary used to be appointed by under the governor's by the governor. Since these posts are slightly not that senior post, so we have changed the appointing authority to the chief secretary.